Here are some strategies to save a failing relationship and find true happiness once more. 1. Take a break, but hold off on saying goodbye. There will always be a rainbow after a storm in your relationship as long as you both remain confident in your love for one another. Perhaps all you need is a vacation from everything. Take as much time as you both require. 2. Discuss it and be sincere with one another. What happened? What happened to your declarations of devotion and love promises? Chat with one another. Be open and honest in your communication, and express your true feelings. When they harmed you but you were afraid to show it, tell them about it. 3. Recall the reasons you adore them. When you first met your soulmate, the love of your life, you were the happiest person on earth. Keep in mind those crucial times of joy. Even though you've been through a lot of suffering and have a broken heart, they're still out there, waiting to be found. 4. Use the positive aspects while taking the negative ones to heart. It's crucial that you take away some lessons from all of this. It's not a good idea to forget and just let go of the mistakes that contributed to this predicament, despite the fact that you both want to mend this and make the pain go away. Accept responsibility for what occurred, and do your best to avoid making the same mistakes again. 5. Avoid letting your anger speak for you. Because of how frail and delicate the thread holding your relationship together is, even the slightest hint of negativity could cause it to fall apart. One of the elements that can instantly and unquestionably ruin the possibilities of addressing the issue is anger. For example, do your utmost to resist allowing and encouraging this negativity. 6. Cease causing one another additional harm. Do not increase the list of justifications for quitting and ending everything. Keep in mind that you are in a delicate situation and that one mistake could negate all of your efforts to save your failing relationship. Be considerate and watch out not to hurt each other any further. 7. Think about taking some time apart. When things get really awful, you could try to think about the possibility of being physically apart from one another. Distance might occasionally serve as a reminder of the things you have taken for granted. Additionally, distance will help you understand what it would be like to live without them. 8. Ask others who have succeeded for advice. Pay attention to the tales of those who succeeded. Although their circumstances may not be the same as yours, you can always learn from their experiences. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.